about the Speaker of Lok Sabha. See, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha is your House of the People, the lower house of the Parliament of India. The Speaker is elected generally in the very first meeting of Lok Sabha following the general elections. Now, this term of service, that means serving for a term, he or she serves for a term of 5 years. The Speaker chosen from the sitting members of the Lok Sabha, that means your House of the People, and is by convention a member of the ruling party or alliance. But here I'll ask you a question. There were instances where when the Speaker was elected from the opposition. So it is not always that he or she should be from the ruling party or alliance. So tell me the names of those speakers from the other parties other than the ruling party or alliance. Now talking about election, see, newly elected MPs from the Lok Sabha elect the Speaker among themselves. Basically, it is desired that Speaker should be someone who understands the functions of the Lok Sabha, and it is someone accepted by both the parties, ruling party also and the opposition parties also. Now, what is the procedure? See, the MPs, they propose a name as pro-term Speaker. This is the Speaker for the time being. So, these names are notified to the President of India. Then President, through their 8th Secretary General, notifies the election date. Now, if only one name is proposed, Speaker is elected without any formal vote. However, if more than one candidate receives the nomination, or if you say if more than one nomination are received, so a division vote is called. Then MPs vote for the candidates on such date which is notified by the President of India, and successful candidate is elected as Speaker of the Lok Sabha until next general elections. Now we will discuss the powers and functions of Speaker. See, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha conducts the business in the House. It is he or she who decides whether a bill is money bill or not. He or she maintains discipline and decorum in the House, and they can punish a member for their unruly behavior for suspending them. Then they also permit the moving of various kind of motions in the House, like motion of no confidence, motion of adjournment, motion of censure, and calling attention notice as per the rules. Then the Speaker also decides on the agenda to be taken up for discussion during the particular meeting of the House. And further, all comments and speeches which are made by the MPs in the House, they are addressed towards the Speaker. The Speaker then also presides over the joint sitting.